Now come to the passive immunization, that is immunotherapy. Immunoglobulins and antisera are used for passive immunization. Immunoglobulins are of two types, normal human immunoglobulin or specific human immunoglobulin. Normal human immunoglobulin IG, that is antibody rich fraction. This is mainly IgG, and it is derived from plasma or serum of human donors. And in measles, it is given. In hepatitis A for travelers, it is used, which are going to endemic area. Now, specific human immunoglobulin, it is prepared from human serum or plasma of convalescent individuals or those who have been immunized. Certain high level of specific antibodies are produced, such as rabies immunoglobulin, hepatitis immunoglobulin, tetanus, pertussis immunoglobulin, RHD immunoglobulin, varicella zoster immunoglobulin, and this is given by IM route, and average half-life is 25 to 30 days. And its use minimizes the risk of hypersensitivity reaction. Antisera and antitoxin. Antiserum is prepared by injecting a specific antigen to animals, and that leads to formation of specific antibodies, that is rabies antiserum. And antitoxin is prepared by injecting toxin or toxoid, such as anti-tetanus serum, anti-gas gangrene serum, anti-diphtheria serum, anti-snake venom serum, and half-life of this antisera is half of the human immunoglobulin. These antisera antitoxins are used in clinical situations where there is no alternative or in case of emergency, and they may produce hypersensitivity reactions such as anaphylaxis or serum sickness. Organ transplantation, you know, that is of autograft, allograft or xenograft. Autograft from your own body, allograft from the different person from the same species, and xenograft from any other species. And here is the risk of immunological complications and tissue rejection. What happens? These MHC proteins are unique to each individual, and they are involved in allograft rejection. That is why the organ transplantation is done with the closely related family members. Now, immunological techniques which you have been taught, such as RIA, radioimmunoassay, ELISA, hybridoma technology. Now you see this is the coronavirus, and here is its spikes, and which attaches to our body and causes this corona. And be careful. Now the plasma therapy has come. See what happens. Thank you. Take care.